Good morning everyone. Coming to the next topic, SEM-II differential equations. We completed previous topic, fourth topic, linear differential equation. Now the next topic, reducible to linear form. Means this question is not in the form of linear differential equation. Here we have to convert this differential equation into linear form. What is the process? Also we call this reducible to linear form, also we call Bernoulli's differential equations. అంటే ఇక్కడ Bernoulli's differential equations అన్న reducible to linear forms అన్న ఒకటే సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం అన్నమాట. So what are the steps involved in solving Bernoulli's differential equation means if the given question is like dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q into y power of n, here this RHS part should be in terms of x or in terms of y. So here y power of n means this q definitely in the form of x. So here this total term should be in terms of x or y. Okay, but here this RHS is total in terms of x and y. So we have to bring this y power of n to this side. Then it will be y power of minus n dy by dx plus p into y power of minus n. Here already 1 minus n is equal to q. Okay. Now, if you want to convert a Bernoulli's into linear differential equation, this derivative part quotient should be a constant. Means quotient should be a 1. Here this should be 1. Okay. For that reason, here we are substituting in place of y power of 1 minus n as u. Okay. Then we are differentiating on both sides. Then after we are substituting in this again all the values. Then you will get the required differential equation. That is a linear form. Means here we converted a Bernoulli's differential equation into linear differential equation. After this, you have to proceed like previous method. Means finding integrating factor y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor plus c. Is the process. Okay, is the process. After completing this, we have to proceed as like we done yesterday method. Okay. See, here we have one more method also, right? Here, if it is in dy by dx, like this. If it is in dx by dy, then this p in terms of should be y. Here x will come. Here x will come. Means wherever y is there x will come. Wherever x is there y will come. Just y and x should be interchanged. Okay. See, if you observe this problem, first of all you have to convert this into like this form. Okay. Then only you can get clarity what substitution we have to take. Okay. So writing here dy by dx is equal to 1 by 6 square y cube plus x. So if you want to split this into two terms, it will be not possible. Why? Because the sum of two terms are in denominator. Okay. Like we done yesterday one problem, same like that. Now we have to interchange. Now we have to reciprocal on both sides. Then it will be dx by dy is equal to x square y cube plus xy is divided by y. Now dx by dy is equal to x square y cube plus xy. Now what we have to do? We have to bring this to this side, not this. Why? Why? Because here degree of this is less compared to this. Lesser degree terms you should bring to this LHS side. Then it will be dx by dy minus x into y is equal to x square y cube. Now what we have to do? We have to divide both sides with y cube. Okay. Sorry, x square. Both sides with x square. Why? Because here x term is there. Here what we have? That should be here. See here. Here x term is there. So that this q is in the form of x. Completely that q is in the form of x. Okay. So if it is in dy by dx, we brought that y power of n to LHS. If here it is dx by dy, we have to bring this x square term to LHS. So divide x square on both sides. Then it will be x power of minus 2 dx by dy minus y into x power of here 1 will be and here minus 2 then is equal to y. Okay, now x power of minus 2 dx by dy minus x power of minus 1 into y is equal to y. Okay, here what we have substitution, what we have here portion, that we have to take substitution. See here, for p multiple is here y power of 1 minus n. Here p multiple is what? Y power of 1 minus n. That y power of 1 minus n as we taken as u. Okay, y power of 1 minus n we taken as u. So this p quotient as u, here y is nothing but here. So in place of p here y and in place of coefficient here minus x power of minus. Now we have to put minus x power of minus 1 is equal to some constant. Okay, what substitution we are taking? For that substitution we have to do differentiation. Okay, means minus dy dx of with respect to what we have to do here, with respect to y we have to do, with respect to y we have to do, not x, with respect to y we have to differentiate on both. So minus dy dy of x power of minus 1 that is equal to du by dy. X power of n differentiation is what? Nx to the power of n minus 1 minus 1x to the power of minus 1 into dx by dy is equal to du by dy. So minus into minus plus x power of minus 2 dx by dy is equal to du by dy. Okay, now we have to substitute this, and here it is in equation number 1, it will be 1. Now from 1 x power of minus 2 dx by dy in place of we have to substitute du by dy, then minus of x power of minus 1 we can substitute as u plus u into y is equal to y. Okay, if you observe this, it is in the form of, I am writing here y into u. So it is in the form of linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form. Okay, in place of y we have u and in place of x we have y. So is a linear differential equation is a linear differential equation of the form du by dy, writing in terms of same only, p into what we have here, that here u is equal to q. So where p is equal to what? P means p is equal to y and then q is equal to y power of 3. Now we have to find integrating factor. How we will find integrating factor? Integrating factor is e power of integral y means e dy means e power of integral y dy. So it will be e power of y square by 2 is an integrating factor. Now let it be equation number 2. Now general solution of 2 will be so general solution of 2. What is general solution of 2 now? U into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating plus c. This is the general solution of a linear differential equation of du by dy plus y into u is equal to y cube. So here this integrating factor is e power of y square by 2 is equal to integration of q is nothing but y cube, and here integrating factor is e power of y square by 2 into dy plus c. If you observe, if you want to do integration of this, you can't get directly, but here you have to take again one more substitution, that is put y square by 2 is equal to some t I am taking here. Now what substitution we are taking? Generally we will do differentiation of that substitution first of all, so that it will be 1 by 2 2y into dt into dy is equal to dt. The 2 will be cancelled, means y dy is equal to dt. Okay, now let it be question number 3. Now from 3, how 3 will become? U e power of y square by 2 is nothing but t e power of t is equal to integration of, if you separate here y square into y square into e power of y square by 2 into y dy plus c. Y cube actually here y square and y dy. In place of y dy we can substitute dt, in place of y square we can substitute 2t. Y square is equal to 2t. Y square by 2 t. U e power of t is equal to integration of 2t e power of t dt plus c. So u e power of t is equal to integration of x e power of x can be written as x e power of x minus e power of x. Is the integration of x e power of x. Direct I am writing, otherwise you can do u into v directly. U into v integration, u v integration form, u into integration of v minus integration of differentiation of u is 1 and integration of e power of t is e power of. Okay, you will get that. Now this is actually it is the general solution of a given differential equation, but we have to replace all the terms, then you have to bring that question answer in the form of x and y. That will be general solution. Okay. Now replace. First what we have to replace? We have to replace in place of t y square by 2. Replace t is equal to y square by 2. Then it will be u e power of y square by 2 is equal to 2 times of y square by 2 e power of y square by 2 minus e power of y square by 2 and place it. So place it now. See here e power of y square by 2, e power of y square by 2, e power of y square by 2. So I am dividing both sides with e power of y square by 2. Then it will be u is equal to 2 times of y square by 2 minus 1 plus c e power of minus y square by 2. If you divide both sides with by e power of minus y square by 2, multiply with minus e power of minus y square by 2 or divide with e power of y square by 2. C by e power of y square by 2 can be written as c e power of minus y square by 2. This is in the e power. Okay. Now u is equal to 2 cancel, means it is y square minus 2 plus c e power of minus y square by 2. Again we have to replace in place of u. Here we take a substitution where this minus 1 by x. Replace u is equal to minus x power of minus 1, that is u power of minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to y square minus 2 plus c e power of minus y square by okay. See, multiply with minus on both sides, then it will be 1 by x is equal to minus y square plus 2 and then minus c power of minus y square by 2. Then it will be 1 is equal to minus xy square plus 2x minus cx e power of minus y square by 2. If you bring all the terms to one side, then it will be 1 plus xy square minus 2x plus cx e power of minus y square by 2 is equal to 0. Is the general solution of a given Bernoulli's differential equation. Is the general solution of a given differential equation. Okay, is the general solution of a given differential equation. What we got solution? Answer. I will check in this one. The solution 1 plus xy square minus 2x plus cx e power of minus y square by 2 is the general solution of a given differential equation. See, observe one more time. So this is the Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay, Bernoulli differential equation means reducible to linear. Reducible to linear form means Bernoulli differential equation means same question. Okay, e given dy by dx into something is equal to 1. If you want to bring this dy by dx is equal to, then you have to bring this to this side. Here it is multiplying. If it will come this side, it will be divided. So if you observe this, you can't do anything. You can't separate this to come. That's why we are here reciprocaling on both sides. Then it will be dx by dy is equal to what lesser degree is there, that you have to bring to this side. Then it will be in the form of sum. Now we have to, here x will be means here y. Here what term is there, that term should be in RHS form. Here in denominator what is there, this term should be in terms of in RHS side. So remaining term you have to bring to this side. So x square I am bringing to this side, then it will be became like this. This is the Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay. Now we have to substitute in place of minus x power of minus 1 as u. Then you have to differentiate on both sides. Then you will get this term. In place of this term you have to substitute d by dy. Then it will be linear differential equation. It will be in the form of linear differential equation. You know how to solve linear differential equation in previous method. First of all, you have to find integrating factor. Then after we have a general form. Why? How you came here? What term here we have in the numerator? That should be here. U into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dy plus c. Why dy here? Why? Because here y and integrating factor in terms of y. So that here dy here. Okay. So if you want to integrate this directly, it will be not possible. It is not possible. So that we have to take substitution this y square by 2 as some d. Then y square is equal to 2. Then you will get y dy is equal to d. If you substitute this all the values in the equation number 3, then you will get this. Here e power of t, x e power of x integration is what? X e power of x to minus e power of x. By using that formula, we substitute here. This is the general solution of given differential equation. But here given differential equation is in terms of x and y, so that you have to convert this into in terms of x and y. For that reason, we replace in place of t. First of all, you replace in place of t y square by 2. Then after you have to replace in place of u minus x power of minus 1. Then if you simplify, you will get the general solution of a given Bernoulli's differential equation. Okay? So I hope all you understand. Thank you.